Alright, now we will be doing the shoulder flexibility test. Now the shoulder flexibility test is used to measure shoulder mobility and to assess shoulder health, particularly in older patients, because as you do age, shoulder health is very important, and keeping good shoulder health is very important as well. Alright, so what I want you to do in a minute is I want you to take your right hand and make a fist covering your thumb. Do the same with your left hand, and what I want you to do is place your right hand over your head, running down your back, with your left hand running up your back, and try and place them as close to each other as you possibly can in one movement. And don't creep your fingers close to each other or your hands closer to each other, alright? As I show you, I want you to do, so make a fist, and then at the same time. Alright, so let me just mention that. 14.5 centimeters. Alright, so for the shoulder flexibility test, you are 14.5 centimeters. The scoring for this is a bit different. So for fists that are not within 1.5 hands length is scored as A1, which would be below average. For fists that are within 1.5 hands length, that is scored as a 2, which is average, which is where you fall, and then 3 is fists are within 1 hand length, which is above average, but you just got average for that. Alright, now what we will be doing is the sit and reach test. Now the sit and reach test is a lower body flexibility test, particularly tests your lower back, your hip and your hamstring flexibility. So in a moment what I'll do is I'll set up a chair with the tape measure on it by your feet and see how far you can reach on the past your feet. Unfortunately, won't be able to do like the 15 centimeters in the minus because we don't have a ruler, we just have the tape measure. So we're counting on you getting at least being able to touch your toes, but I'm sure you can do it since you're a soccer player. So this is the setup we have with the tape measure on, and you'll be sitting over there. Alright, so what I want you to do is get your whole back placed on the wall, right? Your feet in line with the front of the chair. And what I want you to do is take 3 reaches, so to lead up to your one big reach for as far as you can. And I want you to, so 1, 2, and then 3, and see how far you can reach onto the chair, and wherever you reach, that's your score. Alright, so I want you to do that. So back completely on the wall, feet in line with the chair, yep. Hands out front. 1, 2, alright, 6 centimeters. Alright, good job. So for the sit and reach test, you got 6 centimeters, or plus positive 6 centimeters. If we compare that to the normative data for your age group, the average is 0 to plus 5 centimeters. Above average is plus 6 to plus 16. So you just got into above average for the sit and reach test. So yeah, good one.